Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Just a quick update. This is the 1963 Corvette Split Window. In an earlier video, we had the body on the hoist, and we walked around the frame, and we were ready to set the body on the frame. So a lot of progress now. I apologize, a little bit of a breeze, and my microphone broke, so I hope it's not a lot of interference. So we've installed the headlight pots and made adjustments for them. We've got the grates installed in the hood. The hood is installed and adjusted. You can see up here where the cowl vents go. Our client is going to be installing those. We've blacked out those vents. We've installed the windshield with the new rubber seal. And you can see how nice this paint is. So the guys and gal in our body and paint division, I would have to say, did a phenomenal job. I don't want to come across as cocky or bragging, but there's different levels of paint jobs, and this would be fair to say this is a higher end, more show car kind of quality paint finish. This is a base coat, clear coat finish. We've done the pilot holes for the emblems for the client. He's going to like doing all the trim, so he's going to put the final trim on. You can see the doors are now not only installed but adjusted properly, and probably hard to see in the video. I'm not going to rub the paint with my dirty gloves, but these doors, we have them fitting better than they left the factory in 63. There was always an issue on the front corner on the passenger side and the back corner on the driver's side. One other thing I'd like to point out, people always are asking us, so this is a 1963 door, and there's been a lot of cars we've seen, people claim it's a 63 split window. I'll share something with you that not too many people are aware of. This year, the 63 is the only year that it has these raised sections, and hopefully it'll show up in the camera. So this embossed or raised section here for the end of the door handle, and this raised section for the handle, they only did this 1 year, 63 only. So guys that have doors between 64 and 67, they're flush, they're not raised. This is a real 63. We go around the back, you can see we've installed the tail lights and bezels. We have the filler panel installed. The reason why we have the tail lights in, it's extremely difficult for the client to reach the tail lights because the gas tank is in and the frame is on. And they come down this side. It's just a shame that it's so, it's just a terrible overcast day. You don't really appreciate the actual paint finish on how shiny it is. And then same thing, hopefully the camera person kind of shared. So this is your driver's side. So it took a lot of time, believe it or not, to make sure the doors and the gaps were adjusted properly and these seams were done right. And as you come up, this is lining up perfect with the groove. And then you follow this line. Once again, not being cocky or bragging, but the gaps and the openings are better than you'd ever see from the factory in 63. Same thing here. You can see as you follow the gaps and the lines, the grooves are perfect. And that's the advantage of having, taking the body, the trim, like the doors and hood, on and off several times through the process of the body work and the final block sanding and then the prep and the paint. So this is it's ready to go now. It's really noisy in the shop. So basically we just kind of pulled it out here to walk around. I was hoping there was going to be some sun. This is a factory correct color red, base coat, clear coat finish. So now this rear car is going to go home with our client and he's going to have fun putting the rest of it together. So this is a 1963 Corvette Split Window. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.